अकॉर्डिंग टू वर्ल्ड इकोनॉमिक फोरम वर्ल्ड की 85 मिलियन जॉब्स आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस और एआई रिप्लेस कर देगा बाय 2025। मोस्ट ऑफ द फ्लैगशिप फोन्स जो आज की डेट में रिलीज हो रहे हैं दे आर पैक्ड विद एआई बेस्ड फीचर्स. Countries like China is using AI to manage traffic by real-time analyzing data to reduce congestion. Zomato की इस मीम मार्केटिंग के पीछे भी आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस है. इनफैक्ट Amazon पे भी कुछ ऐसी बुक सेल हो रही है जिनके ऑथर चैट जीपीटी है. Companies like Reliance has taken over a company named Mbibe, which helps students to prepare for competitive examinations on an AI-based personalized learning and outcome improvement platform. Ride-sharing platform like Ola and Uber has also started using AI to improve user experience by connecting riders and drivers. इनके अलावा companies like Google, Apple and Microsoft are continuously investing in AI to make their future products better. आपका ये फोन, टैबलेट या लैपटॉप एक अल्टीमेट मनी मेकिंग मशीन बन सकता है अगर आपने AI की पावर को यूज करना सीख लिया. जस्ट इमेजिन यू आर रिलैक्सिंग ऑन अ बीच एंड आपके फोन में ऑटोमेटिकली पैसे क्रेडिट होने के नोटिफिकेशंस आ रहे हैं. ये ड्रीम मैं ऐसे ही नहीं दिखा रहा हूं गाइस. दिस इज अ ट्रू स्टोरी ऑफ अ 20-year-old गाय नेम जो फ्रॉम कनाडा जिसने अर्न करे हैं $1 million बाय सेलिंग ई बुक्स यूजिंग चैट जीपीटी. The first AI tool जो आपके साथ में आज शेयर करने जा रहा हूं वो है Palette.io and what it basically does is convert any black and white image to a high resolution colored image. As you can see मैंने यहाँ पे एक एरोप्लेन की black and white image वेबसाइट पे अपलोड कर दी है and very first thing it will do is convert it into a colored image into the basic format. There are various other colors option which you can choose and find out whatever is the best suitable image for you and then you can download it basis on with and without the Palette FM logo. You can use a HD and no Palette logo by using certain credits and following are the results as you can see on the screen. This next tool uses the power of AI to convert your text to a high resolution video. This tool called as Motion from Kyber helps all musicians, storytellers and content creators bring their imagination to life. To use this tool, visit the Kyber website and sign up for free in seconds. Once you are in, click the create option and select motion. You can also upload an image or skip this entirely. Next, enter your subject and style. Dive into video settings as there are aspect ratios for every social media platform. You can also choose the level of evolve. Now out of the 2 keyframes, pick the one which best captures your vision. In few minutes, you'll get a vivid and lively video of your choice. If you love gardening, then Blossom is the perfect tool for you. It gives care reminder as to when to water your plants, light meter which helps you to find out the ideal spot for your plants based on how much light it needs. It also tells if your plant is suffering from any sort of disease, diagnose it and treat the same as well. Suno AI is an amazing tool through which you can generate songs with lyrics in various genres, but before I tell more about it, just listen to these samples.
The years come and gone. Please for the blessings. I picked up my guitar.
You can create songs like this for free. Just write one prompt and you can get an entire song with vocals, instruments, literally any genre. Moreover, you can also create songs using your own lyrics if you want. So start creating music, list them on various music platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, YouTube, and start earning instantly. The next tool we are going to talk about is Music Gen by Meta. Music Gen lets you create copyright-free music in any stereo theme you want. You just have to describe the kind of music you want to listen, and the tool will create it for you. So let's see how it works. Under describe your music, just mention the type of music and click generate. And there you go. Now you can also give inputs like the kind of instruments and the tempo, etc. You also have the option to give reference music and create a similar sort of genre and style by uploading the sample audio. The next tool I would like to talk about is Adobe Firefly. And what it does is basically converts your text to images. So for such platforms, आप अपनी creativity use करके unlimited images, templates, wallpapers and theme generate कर सकते हैं. You can then provide freelancing services for creating product listings on various websites like Amazon, design packaging for various brands. Not only that, you can sell your designs globally on websites like Pixabay, Fiverr.com, PixArt and Etsy.com. For example, आपके सामने I have opened this listing from Fiverr.com and it states that I will do photo manipulation and blend images in Adobe Photoshop and for this service he is charging some $25. आप देख सकते हैं इस लिस्टिंग के अराउंड 3000 रिव्यूज हैं, which means that it has been sold more than 10,000 times. If I visit Etsy.com, you can see there are various wallpapers and clip arts which are being sold, and again the number of reviews here are more than 4,000. I researched on the website and I found that this website is visited more than 500,000 times every month. And majority of visitors are from USA, UK and other European countries. This next tool I'm going to talk about is going to take the jobs of hundreds and thousands of web builders and agencies. I remember that we went to an agency for building a website for my wife as she's an home baker. We had limited budget for this new venture, and to tell you, the quotation I was given for the same was between 10 to 15,000, and the time frame we were told is around 2 weeks. But today, with the help of AI, you can build a website in just 30 seconds. All you need to do is visit durable.co, click on generate your website, select what type of business you are building. It is also going to find your location if it's a location based service. Write the name of your business if you already have a name, or it's going to mention and give you certain suggestions. Finally, click on next and select the color layout. Within 30 seconds, your website would be ready. You can always edit the details and images mentioned on the website. And that's how we have a new website ready for you.
the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. See you in the next one.
got.